Welcome all. In this session, we are going to talk about a professional numerology suite that is available on EPC Land itself. It is a free tool which you can utilize to prepare your numerology chart and see many things. Let us talk about what are various features which are available on this tool. Now, there are two main features. One is individual analysis, second is compatibility analysis. Okay, if you click over this, you can click over, you can look into the individual analysis also. Now, here you can fill in your full name and date of birth, nothing else is required. Phone number and email ID, these are optional. We will see why, what are the benefits if we fill these email ID and phone number here, and see how these numbers are related to your numerology. So one feature which is right available at this, I have fed in a lot of data like all the Bollywood actors, actresses, legends, Indian leaders, right? You just have to click over their name and you can look at their chart also. So this is another feature, right? So all these famous personalities data is available and you can look into that also. So what we are doing now, if you fill in your individual analysis palette, the name and date of birth, and click over generate, okay, you will see your personalized chart and your name details. Okay, so here you can if you want to learn, you can see how these numbers are calculated. Okay, right here itself. Then it will be your success potential, right? This is the algorithm which will be looking at all the permutation combination in your numerology and provide you the grade. It can be A, B, C, D. So if it is A, it will be like up to here. So this is again a very quick overview of your lifetime success potential, right? So another indication is here. Then it will be matching your data with all the available personalities. For example, here we have taken this random name and date of birth, right? So this is matching with like exact twin Salman Khan, right? Destiny twin, there are four names: Dhoni, Lawrence, right? All these first famous personalities will be matching with your this thing. So this you can share on WhatsApp also, right? Then there are main features which are available for your own numerology chart. First is basic detail, right? So all the details are here. Then understanding your life path, missing numbers, a lot of numbers which are missing here. What is the meaning of these? Green numbers, these are available in your chart, and red numbers, these are missing. So what is the meaning of missing numbers? What is the impact of these missing numbers? What are the karmic lessons which we need to look into? Then repeated number, right? There are numbers which are getting repeated like 9, 1, 6, 8. So many numbers are repeating. So what is the impact of these? Then career and profession, you can look into what kind of career you should choose, whether you should go with career service or business or what, right? And if you are looking for a business, then you can look at the lucky business names also. Few are suggested here with the potential priority number, right? If you want to look at various other, you just have to click here only, so it will suggest many more numbers. Again here you if you want to check the compatibility of your career, of your company name, of your current job profile, you can just fill in here and click compare, right? For example, I'm just looking writing a random number, senior manager for example, and you click over this, so it will give you the complete analysis on this. So you can check that. Again, looking at your hobbies, what kind of hobbies, career, education, this section is there. If you want to check your compatibility of your name itself, that also you can see. Signature analysis, recommended based on your numbers. Mobile number, you just have to fill it here and you can compare it. Email harmony, right? If you provide the email here itself, then it will be available there. Then similarly, vehicle number, flat number, you can check. Education, hobbies, you can see this kind of date of birth and name, what kind of hobbies a person is having. And if you look at various personality, you will see these will be matching nearly. Health and diet, what kind of diet you have to look into for your health, that also will be there. And marriage and family, what kind of like so many people get married early, some are getting delayed, so that is also you can check here. Then travel, wealth, spirituality, how spiritual that person is, that kind of things will be there. Then there is a main thing, your personal year. The whole life will be divided into four sectors, four major life eras, right? Before that, you can see every day's energy level, right? How it is impacting your this thing. So this is kind of you can say rashi we can look at on daily basis. So that is one thing. Then the whole life is divided into four sectors, four sections: first era, second era, third era, and fourth era. And you can see how much success ranking is there, how many challenges. So in this phase, if you see 31 to 39, this is the best period of life, zero challenges, or you can say minimum challenges. So this will be the golden period of that particular person. So similarly, if you fill any year here, you look at the personal year predictions. For example, for 2026, this is the prediction: warnings, anti numbers, remedies, right? You can check your past years also. This will give you at least idea how your last year was and how this tool is giving the predictions. So past 5 years and future 5 year you can look into. And if you want to look at some particular year, for example 36, you just have to click here and it will give you something, some predictions about that. Luck factors, right? What kind of luck you are having, that is also there. Auspicious timing, right? It will give you full month's plan. The green one are the lucky days and red one are challenges will be there. So this kind of prediction will also be there, right? So every day, every month, every week, every day you can look at this. Then few remedies are there, very simple remedies without spending any money on that. So those kind of remedies are also there. So this was first section, individual analysis. Then compatibility check, right? Here if you fill any one person name and second name, and then you click here and you'll get the compatibility charts of both. For example, let us choose Mr. Amitabh Bachchan here, and let us say Rekha is a second person. The both details are there, and you can choose between marriage, romantic, your friends, co-founders, peers, right? Boss versus employee, employee versus boss. So this also you can compare the compatibility. So once you click over this, you'll see the compatibility chart of both person, right? And the complete analysis with respect to day and long term. Professional prediction, if it is like into business relationship, so those kind of predictions compatibility you can check. And suppose you are having already a business with two partners and you want to check the third partner also, right? So then you just click over this and that chart will be here. So the prediction for all three people compatibility will be given here. So you not only can check your friends, your partner also, your founders, co-founders, employees in your office, right? The compatibility can be checked within this. So this way you have all these features available on this tool. You can try it. I'll give you the link in the description box so you can check it for free. So give me tell me in comments how much these predictions are relating to your real life experiences. Thank you very much.